Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula Kular ban ajing rap San Paulak na ka Chief Minister Special Grant syaka All Meghalaya Karbi Association nak banta ban Shna ya ka Cultural Center bata ka jukopor Menteri Rang Ba ula pen bana ban ajing rap San Lak Tengka syakino yalam jong ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ban be ya ka jing jing sep ha ka jing rakhi jong ki pa Karbi ya ka jing dap San Paul Snam ka jing alenti jong ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ha ka jing pen kot no ya ka ni ka jing rakhi la pen phu pen piang da ki jing shat ba ki jing roi tan rai haring kat ki jing ko pa per ki bala pelong hadu lai sngi kan thi ha ka ni ka sngi pen kot ya ka jing rakhi jubilee ksar la rakhi lang da MLA jokanang po constituency ba Meral Bonds MLA ka Mauti constituency ba Charles Marngar MDC ba Eastern A Hing ka MDC jokanang po ka Kong Rona Khamdej Deputy Chairman trong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Avijit Kro President trong ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association Robert Jones Ronghang bat kiwe kum ban pensa jingkan mau ya jing rakhi jubilee ksiar kinoi lam trong ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association kila bu do mau sa nam bala plipat ba do Menteri Rang Ba ka jela Conrad Sangma ubra long kum kongsan nakaliang jong MLA kanong po ba Meral Bonds ula IT da ka work order ka San Lak Tengka syakino ilam ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ban Shnapen Baha ya ka Auditorium Hall jang ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ka badan hakasnong umwang
bag All Meghalaya Karbi Association kelajang sinjam bandap San Pausnem pede gijing kemen nagamata gijung fi gijung yang baru ngisa kilang ya kan kesngi pede kesngi kebansa jingken mau nagamata jung fi gijung ki khun sama jubilee ki bidan hagane ka por ki devenship bagane ki jubilee haba pinmi nagane ki jaka haba philip phai si ki yin ki sem ki shnong ki thau ki unit ki jong ki pinra lem bat ka khubor ka jingi tli balom ka we nang ni sakma kalom ka bakong san hadu kata bahagano ka kenhun agano ka jaj pendriu jing teli kelong ka bakong san kidan sibun ki kenhun ki bala sen ki bala thum ki bala pat ki bala prat ang siteng por kala amade ke jing bisni kala amade ke jing wo kejat kidan sibun ki daw tendre ni so komen pa baka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ka we ni association ki bala pati yuso jong ke jing teli kan long kan duksa ka bahatam naga banta kilong kini kilong pa ki bidan hagani ka por ban haga ju karpom yagi khun samla khamtam ya galawe ka pernai ka bekum sadan lang ni sakmat ngimla aban klep ya ki achievement layo aban pendan buram kisgi ki bala dep ya gitu ki bala no senyang ki bala contribute kala aban deh kimlang salang kala aban deh kum officer sarkar kalau bandai khamta me jingila kai sports Karibohi District Sport Association ke baju mi khmat ya ki kamile kai sport syaka jilla na kapor ngi jusaki ki babun ki atlet ki nong ile kai ki bajuara ia ka nam ka buram ia ka chamber boy ki jungi ki de ki parlok karbi
that I'm here giving this speech of inclusivity. But we are practicing what we preach by ensuring that the support is given to different communities in our state. Meral, again a very dear friend, very good in his speech, you can see. He knows how to speak and knows how to convince people. We were having a little chit-chat before he came on stage to give his speech. And he requested me that this program has been going on for 3 days now. And there's not much support that has been given from the government or from different sources except from his personal level. And he requested in his very soft voice and convincing voice and convinced me that I should support this program also. So I would like to announce that I will be giving from my Chief Minister's special grant, which is meant for only this program. I would like to give 5 lakh rupees as grant to support this particular program, this Golden Jubilee program that you are having. Number 2, the cultural center, which I also personally feel is something that is important. I have always stressed that without culture, without tradition, without the different dances, without the different clothes, we are nobody. We are just like anybody else. It is our culture that gives us the identity that we have today as Khasis, as Garos, as Rabas, Koch, Hajong, or Karbis. And therefore, I've been supporting our Rabha brothers and sisters, Hajong, Koch, even the Man Association has approached me, and we're helping each one of them. And therefore, taking a cue again from our local MLA, I would like to announce that I will be giving 50 lakhs for the cultural center to be built. We will see how it goes. And as we move along, if more support is required, I assure the President and Secretary and the Association, we will continue to support you. And we will give the necessary funds in order to be able to revive, to keep the culture, to be able to protect it, to be able to allow our youngsters to continue this culture, to learn, to practice, and keep that identity, which is what makes you Karpis.